Iwalani is also like the evil birds, right? It was flying and gliding over the ocean, and it made a stop here at one port, and then it stopped at another port, all along the Kona coast, up and down. And then she realized, how come it took so long when one can do it in one day, but this Iwalani takes one whole week to go up and down the coast? That's because the captain was making some visits along the way. Makaukau? Ka Iwalani. Pa. Paulana e ka holo ka Iwalani, e ka upu hei o ka moana. Aole ana iho ko mahe make, ina iwa ka uka o ha'au. Paulana e ka holo ka Iwalani, e ka upu hei o ka moana. Aole ana iho ko mahe make, ina iwa ka uka o ha'au. Ia hona holua po utana huniu, ita holo I te ahe a ka makani. Aia puna lipu te walohala, I te kahi ka uha a ka malihini. Ia hona holua po utana huniu, ita holo I te ahe a ka makani. Aia puna lipu te walohala, now she goes out searching for the Iwalani. He huli. He huli ho ine o ta Iwalani. Ike kai malino a ho kona. No kona ka makani kula I pau. Ki ka pakahi o ka Iwalani. He huli ho ine o ta Iwalani, ike kai malino a ho kona. No kona ka makani kula I pau. I see the ship ka Iwalani.
Himelo ka Iwalani.
Himelo ka Iwalani. It's almost refreshment time. And so we're going to end this particular song with this chant. My hula teacher learned, I'm not really sure where she got the choreography from, but I know she got a writing from it from Harriet Ney, who was a kumuhula here on this particular island. And so she made a trip here in the 1960s when she was doing an Aloha Week festival float. So she wanted to know about the island, so she was going to build this float for the parade. She wanted to know about the island. So she spent a couple of days here with Harriet Day. And with that, she was able to get the words for this particular chant, and then create it. It was usually done by men and women. Aia Moloka'i ku'iwa. There at Moloka'i is my sweetheart. The legend that we were told, there were two sweethearts, one on Mauka side, the top side, and one down in Kalaupapa. And they needed to get together. And they couldn't often get together. But the love says that, you got me, stabbed me like a swordfish. I stabbed you, and that's my love for you. And no matter what we do, we will endure to the pinching colds and all the different things that go on in life. Aia Moloka'i ku'iwa. We thank you folks all for joining us today. We thank the library for inviting us, the University of Hawaii Outreach College for being able to participate in this celebration and send us here. For us, it is a treat, and we thank you folks very much. Makaukau.
Aia Moloka'i ku'iwa. Aia Moloka'i ku'iwa.
Aia Moloka'i ku'iwa. Ike kula wale o ka lau papa. Aia Moloka'i ku'iwa. Ike kula wale o ka lau papa. He papa o lelo ka ua.
Hoi ai ka manao me au.
He papa o lelo ka ua.
Hoi ai ka manao me au.
He kuhimo ku ho'oniki. He niki bela bela I ala. He kuhimo ku ho'oniki. He niki bela bela I ala. Ala ako ku I ke au.
Ika ia lele i ka moana.
Ala ako ku I ke au.
Ika ia lele i ka moana.
A ka hiho I au a I ke maka.
Ika mea mai kai ke aloha.
A ka hiho I au a I ke maka.
Ika mea mai kai ke aloha.
A ina mai I te puana.
Ai ia Moloka'i kuiwa.
A ina mai I te puana.
Ai ia Moloka'i kuiwa. Kui.
Ai, ko'i Moloka'i. People, we thank you for joining us, for Sherry, the librarian, for inviting us here. Looking for all resources that she could to bring us here, which is wonderful. And she goes way beyond her job as a librarian here to make sure that programs are taken care of. And we really appreciate that, working with her for almost the last 10 years with her to bring programs like this from the university. Mahalo, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for being such a great, friendly island. Mahalo. Aloha.